to start working as a licensed plumber and provide in-demand service that can make you good money, then you need a plumbing contractor's license. A license will prove to employers and your state government that you can meet all plumbing standards, codes, and regulations. Plumbing is an official trade profession in the United States. That is why anyone wishing to work as a plumber has to meet specific requirements. Let's go through them. The first step towards operating as a plumber with a license is to focus on your education. Plumbers must take courses before they can begin operating. There are many plumbing technology programs across the U.S. Each program focuses on teaching students about fundamentals of the trade. You can find plumbing courses at your nearest vocational school or community college. Most plumbing courses last 2 years, with welding and pipe system design as the two most common courses. Other courses will focus on safety when using tools and equipment and teach you the basics about using the tools. Instead of enrolling in a plumbing education program, some candidates join apprenticeships. A business or plumbing union near you can provide an apprenticeship. The average plumbing apprenticeship will last 2 to 3 years. The programs feature formal classes and paid training opportunities with a licensed plumbing contractor. Once you have enough education and hands-on experience, you can take official state plumbing exams. Once you pass the exams, you'll receive your contractor's license. In most cases, the first exam focuses on trade knowledge in the plumbing field. Your second exam will cover the business and legal aspects of working as a plumber. You should be able to find your state's license study guide online to help you prepare for your exams. After you pass your exams, you will get an official plumbing contractor's license. But keep in mind that every license expires. In most states, you must renew your license every 2 years, but some plumbers have to renew their license once every year or once every 3 years. Say that you miss your renewal due date. Your plumbing license will become inactive. Having an inactive license is not in your best interest. Your business will not have the ability to apply for its permits. This could surely limit how much revenue your company can make. Now, say that your license stays inactive for a long period of time. The state can revoke your license permanently. Almost every state will enforce a plumbing business to have its own plumbing contractor's license. Thus, contractor's licenses are not just for individuals like yourself. They are also for companies providing plumbing services. With a license, a business can bid on projects, apply for permits, and hire licensed plumbers. Even some cities and counties issue unique plumbing contractor's license. Take Chicago, Illinois, for instance. Every plumbing business in the Windy City has to apply for a city-issued license. Plus, each company must also complete and renew state-level plumbing contractor registration. If you or your plumbing business does not adhere to state and local regulations, you can expect to receive steep penalties for both local and state governments. Civil penalties vary based on the laws of each state and the circumstances of the violations. Some penalties will cost you thousands of dollars in fines per contractor violation. Say that you're working as a contractor in Michigan, but you violate terms within the Michigan State Plumbing Act. You can get fined $5,000 per offense. To prevent fines, penalties, and ensure that you receive constant work as a plumber, you can depend on legalregistration.com. Our organization is standing by to help you and your business secure a plumbing contractor's license and all other licenses and permits in the plumbing sector. Whether you need state, county, and local registration or a license renewal, we're here to provide it for you ASAP. Please click on the link below to access our plumbing contractor's license webpage. Or you can give us a call right now to ask questions and discover licensing solutions. Our phone number is 877-955-7111. We look forward to helping you secure and maintain all plumbing licensing and permits.